to fix Google Play Store billing payment unavailable problem. So if you want to fix Google Play Store billing payment unavailable problem, then what you need to do is first you need to just make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to just scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of apps. Once you find apps, you need to tap on it and then go with manage apps. Once you're on your manage apps section, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Play Store. Once you've searched for Google Play Store, you'll find the application right here. So you just need to simply go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or once you've done that, you need to just simply go back, and after going, you need to go with your Play Store. Open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with the profile, which will be on the top right. From the profile, you need to just scroll down, go with payments and subscriptions. From there, you need to go with payment methods. And now you need to go with add payment method and then add correct payment method. So if you already have a payment method, you need to just simply go and remove that and then go and add your credit or your debit card or any other payment method that you have in your region and add your billing payment method. That's how you can fix your Google Play Store billing payment unavailable problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.